Welcome to the Clipper channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store not opening on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also make sure your date and time settings are okay. And if it's still not working, what you have to do is just go to your settings, just go to search and search for settings. Then just open up settings. Then just go to settings and search for troubleshooting settings. You'll find troubleshoot over here. Now from here, just go to other troubleshooters and try to find Microsoft Store over here. If you don't find it, what you have to do is just go to the search and type Microsoft Store troubleshooter. And you'll find this, find and fix problems with Microsoft Store apps. Just click on this and just go through it. Just click on next and it will detect the problem and try to fix it for you. But even after that, if your problem isn't being fixed, what you can do is just go to your start, right click on it, and type run. And after selecting run, just type wsreset.exe over here. This basically resets your Microsoft Store. Then just click on OK. Just give it some time. Microsoft Store will open up and it should work for you. And if it doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to your settings again. Just open up settings. From the left hand side, go to apps. From apps, go to installed apps and try to search for Microsoft Store over here. But if you don't find it, what you have to do is just go to related settings and go to system components. And in here, you'll see Microsoft Store. Just click on more options. Then just click on advanced options. And after that, scroll down a bit. And at first, what you have to do is just click on terminate. And after you click on terminate, you should go and restart your PC and try to open Microsoft Store. If it doesn't work, what you have to do is come over here to the reset option. And from here, click on repair. And then just give it some time. It's going to repair Microsoft Store for you and give you a check. And if that's done, just go ahead, restart again and try to use Microsoft Store and it should work. But if it doesn't work, the last resort is to come here and click on reset. This is going to reset your entire Microsoft Store and delete all the user data as well. So you have to sign in again. Just click on this, then just go ahead and restart your computer and your Microsoft Store should work. And basically, that is how to fix Microsoft Store not opening on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.